Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abstractionism. 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 Abstractionism is a noun that refers to the practice or theory of creating abstract or non-representational art. It is used to describe a style or movement in art that emphasizes the use of abstract forms and ideas over realistic representation. Here are some examples. Example number 1, abstractionism in art emerged as a response to the constraints of realism, allowing artists to explore pure form and color. Why abstractionism is used in example number 1. Abstractionism is used to describe the artistic movement that prioritizes pure form and color over realistic representation. It explains the purpose and significance of the movement. Example number 2, the gallery features a collection of abstractionism artworks from the early 20th century to contemporary pieces. Why abstractionism is used in example number 2. Abstractionism is employed to categorize and describe the style of artworks featured in the gallery, spanning different time periods. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.